folks, Van Prepper here with another Safe Act and Gun News update. New Yorkers Against Gun Violence is pushing a program called Unload Your 401k, which seeks to have people remove any gun manufacturer's stocks from their 401k. This is a brilliant plan with gun and ammunition sales through the roof. Why would anybody want to invest in a company that gives them financial security for the future and a good return on their investment for their 401k. New Yorkers Against Gun Violence also held a rally in Albany calling for tighter gun restrictions, including micro-stamping. Judging by the pictures, they literally had tens of people show up, which is a stark contrast to the thousands who showed up on April 1st to protest the SAFE Act. Defense Shield Incorporated, DeWitt, New York manufacturer of ballistic shields for the military and law enforcement, is moving to Florida. The company owner and founder said the SAFE Act played, quote, a big role. This means the immediate loss of 15 to 20 jobs, but since Ballistic Defense Shield Incorporated does not actually fabricate or manufacture the shields, they simply act as essentially a middleman, and the local businesses do the actual fabrication and manufacture and assembly of these shields. Eventually, you have to think that those jobs are probably going to be moving down south too, because it doesn't make any sense to have them built here and shipped all the way to Florida. The Drake case out of New Jersey, this is a huge case for those who don't know. The Drake case out of New Jersey, Drake is the owner of an ATM company who was denied a concealed carry permit in the state of New Jersey, despite the fact that he has on at least 3 occasions had to flee for his life while performing his job as people tried to rob him and chase him down. He sued the state of New Jersey in an attempt to get his permit, and the Supreme Court now, for the second time in a row, they had a conference about it, and they declined. They didn't officially decline to take the case, they just didn't make any move on it. Now, I read initially people were very upset. They thought the Supreme Court was passing on this. That is not what this means at all. The Supreme Court will have another discussion again this Friday, May 2nd, on whether to take this case up. This is not bad news that they haven't taken it up yet. The fact that this has not been rejected by the Supreme Court, I think, is very good news. It shows that there is somebody on the court who has interest in this case, and it may indicate that somebody on the court who has interest is trying to line up a majority vote before they go ahead and put this up for a vote, which is a very good thing. This is a case that if this goes to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court rules on the side that I think inevitably they're going to, based on all the decisions coming out of the lower court and based on the Second Amendment and the clear right to defend yourself outside of the home, this will set a national standard, much like the Heller and McDonald cases did, in which states are going to have to line up behind this. And there are states like New Jersey that make it nearly impossible to get a carry conceal permit are going to have to do away with that, and they're going to have to start to issue these permits. They're going to have some reasonable criteria in which people are able to apply for and then get these permits, because people do have a right to defend yourself. The idea that you don't have a right to defend yourself once you leave your home is nonsense, and it just doesn't stand up to any reasonable standard. I hope you like these things. I'll put links in the description for each one of these stories. Check them out if you want. I'm Van Prepper. This has been another Safe Act and Gun News update. Happy shooting, everybody.